I have a question for you. Have you ever felt stuck? Have you ever thought, gosh, I just have this dream inside of me or this longing inside of me or even a discontent about how things are, how they could be better for you? Have you ever wondered, what's next? Is this all there is? You're not alone. Many of us have had those same questions and had those same desires inside of us, a dream that hasn't been realized, or maybe one that we buried or put on a shelf a long time ago. I wanted to invite you to a complimentary vision workshop. It's called The Power of Vision, the 3 keys to unlocking your potential. And by unlocking your potential, what I mean is this, is that if there is something inside of you that wants to burst forth, to be expressed in a greater version of you and who you are and who you were meant to be and want to be, then this workshop is for you. It's a 1-hour webinar, and the link is below. Click on the link to register. And what we're going to do together is we're going to discover what it really truly is that you would love. We're going to get super clear on that so that you are clear to the universe what it is you want. We're going to talk about decision and deciding for what you want. And we're also going to help you gain confidence in the thing that you say that you would love to have so that you can bring it forth into your reality. So click the link below, and I hope you'll join us. It's going to be a great time, and it's probably one of the best 60-second investments that you could make. I'll see you there. Take care.